Hello friends, I am your instructor Imran and today I am going to tell you how to make this custom introduction screen. You can use it whenever you are going to show some tutorial on your app, okay? And you can use it whenever you need in your complete app, whenever you want to use it, okay? So today I'm going to tell you a step-by-step procedure. So you will see demonstration here. I'm going to click on the continue button. It will go to the next screen, and next screen. And if you will click on this button, previous icon, so you will go to the previous, and if previous, it will exit the app. So that's it. So let's start. If you are new here, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. I have just created a new project and you can see the boilerplate code which I don't like. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to create a new file and the name as intro page dot. Okay, so here I just going to create here a new stateless widget named as a intro page and just putting here a scaffold. So this is the previous task that we are already doing it. So to remove the const warning every time, so what I'm going to write here, I'm going to comment out this this line in analysis option.yaml. So just save it now and now just go here and put some body, and in the body what I'm going to write here, I'm going to make here a stack. Okay, so this is the stack that I'm going to use. Then I'm just using the children here. Now in the main.dart file, just remove this my homepage stateful widget, the boilerplate code, and then I'm going to remove all these lines also, this line also, and also going to delete this line and writing here the intro page now, this intro page. So you will see here, and let me write here a debug show checked mode banner file so that this banner will be removed. Just put here banner, I need to put here true. So I think so I need to put here false because I didn't write this line so many times. So okay, you will see here this have been removed. Now go to the in page and just write here in the scaffold, I'm going to write here app bar. No, I think so before app bar, let me write here the main logic. So that is what I'm going to write here, the for loop. And in the for loop, I is putting here the int I equal to 0, I less than, for example, there is the 5 and then I plus plus. And yes, there should be some changes here, and now just write here the expanded. Okay, so this expanded should accept some widgets. So let me write here before using the stack, let me remove it, let me cut it from here. Let me cut it from here and write here the row. Okay, so just write the row here, and in the row just put the children, and now just put here this for loop. Okay, and now this for loop, I'm going to write the expanded now. Okay, this expanded needs a text, so just put here the text and put here okay. You will see the 5 times this okay icon. Okay, so you already know that if I'm going to call only one statement, if I'm going to call only one widget after the for loop, then no need to write these curly braces. Okay, and because we are going to because this is using this children is using the list of widgets, so that's why it's prohibited here to use these curly braces. So what I'm going to write here, I'm using this expanded widget here. Okay, now putting this comma so that and also put the comma here. So you will see some better result. Now, um, let's use it as a safe area. And how to use a safe area? Just wrap it with a widget in a safe area. You will see some better result. Now, I'm not going to use to write the text here. I'm going to write here the container. So in the container, just putting here the color and putting here the colors dot. Let me write here the amber. Okay. Oh, you will see here all the it has been updated and it's showing all the result on the all the screen. Okay, but we have to make some changes here. First of all, let me write here in the container. Let me write here the margin and put here the edge inserts dot all, and the margin should be on the horizontal. I think so. We need to write here the only and put here the horizontal. Sorry. Yeah, we can write here the only, but before writing the only, it's better to use here the symmetric because we are going to make only horizontal margin. So now you will see something like this way. Okay. So let me write here 3 so that the margin will be narrowed down. Now, color, this is the, here is the color. So we can change the color by using this code. So I can write here FF14 2B44. Let's save it and you will see like this color here. Okay. Now, what I'm going to make, let's write here, put here the comma and put here one more container. Okay, so put here this container and this container like child text. Let me write here one text. Okay, so oh, it is in the row, it is in the row. Oh, and we don't need to write it into the row, we need to write it into the after the row into the stack. So just paste it here. Okay, you can see this is stack. Yeah, stack is using the data from each other on one another, so that's why we can't use it. So how can we do this? Just wrap this container, wrap this row with the container, and height should be, let me put here the 10. Okay, now you will see some these type of things that you can see here. Let me put here the height as a 6. Okay, now this looks so better now. Now let's create one more container. Okay, so put here the one more container. So that container have a color like this color. Put here some decoration, put here some box decoration, put here some color, and now put right here the border radius, put here the border radius dot circular, and just put here the 20. Now after this container, what I'm going to write, I need to write here the height of like 70. Okay, now we need to write here the child as a text and text as a continue. Let me write here the continue, put here the style, put here the text style, and now put here the font size, and font size is like the 20. Okay, okay, now width should be the double dot infinity, so double dot infinity should be the width. Okay, this text should be into the center, so wrap it with the center. It should be a color of white, so put here the white color. Okay, perfect. Now wrap this container with a widget named as a align. Okay, and now align should have the alignment, and that alignment should be the bottom center. Okay, perfect. Now, this stack, now what I'm going to write, I'm going to make this alignment and this container, wrap this container with a padding so that I can see some padding from all of these, okay, from all the sides. So it should be a little bit more higher. So I'm just putting here the 14. Okay. Now, when I press on this button, continue button, the next screen will be shown, the next screen will be shown, the next widget will be shown, or whatever that you can do. Okay. So let's create some widgets. Let's create here the first widget as a widget as a first. So this is the first widget that I can use. It should return one text. So I'm going to write here text as a first. Okay, so you can create your own stateless widget here, and you can call, because stateless widget or stateful widget is also a widget, so you can also do this on a different way, but I'm just going to tell you a little example, then you can enhance your logic and so on. So let me copy this style. It should not be a white color, but still I'm going to use it for the sake of time. So I'm not going to use this color here. Font size should be the 30 and this way. Okay, this first widget will be used here where I'm going to write here the first widget. Okay, in this way. But this is not an option, or this is not a solution which we are going to talk. Okay, so how can we do this? First of all, what I'm going to write here, I'm going to make a function so that whenever I click on this button, it will go forward. Okay, so to make this happen, let's create here int position. Okay, so position, the first position, there's a 0. Okay, now get position is the widget that I'm going to make. In this widget, what I'm going to write here, I'm going to create here the if else. Okay, and now write here, if the position equal to 0, then what should be returned, the first page, like the first widget will be returned. Okay, and now let's copy it and paste it here also here. Okay, and if the position is 1, let's copy, let's wrap it with a container, and now wrap it with a center. Okay, now this is the widget that I am going to use, and you will see the result also. Just copy it, sorry, I'm just going to copy the first widget, and now pasting, now pasting, now pasting. Okay, so this is the first widget, this could be the second widget, and we're going to write here second also here, so second. Okay, and here it should be the third widget, and now what I'm going to write here, the third. Okay, and now just going to call here the fourth, and write here the fourth widget. Okay, I hope so you understand this logic. Now if the position is 0, call the first widget. If the position is 1, call the second widget. Okay, and now I'm going to call this else if again till I reach the specific position. So position is, sorry, the 2, if the position is 2 and the position is 3, then I will call here the third and call here the fourth. Okay, understand till now? Now I'm going to make here a maximum position, so just write here total for positions. So total positions are, till now we have the 4 positions, I think so, 1 2 3 4. Okay, now till now everything is okay, then let's move forward, and we have the container. Okay, so let's wrap this container with the inkwell so that we can perform some operations on it. So I'm just going to make an operation here. Okay, so whenever user will tap on it, then we have to make some logic. Okay, so I'm just putting here if the position less than, okay, total position, total position minus 1. Okay, because it's working, because our position is starting from 0, so that's why I'm just calling it as a minus 1. Okay, then what I will do, I will write here our position should be plus plus. Till now everything is okay, but it will not work. Why? But when I save it, it should work. Okay, it's not working. Why? Because first of all, our widget is not a stateful widget. Our intro page is not a stateful widget, so convert into a stateful widget will be more helpful for us. Okay, till now we have done a lot of things. Now let's write here a set state where I'm just putting here the set state. Okay, so that it will work. So let's click on it is not working. Why it is not working? Let me run it. Okay, so we are using here the first. It should be not this one. Here it should be the get positions, because get position consists of all widgets. So now click on the first. It is using the, it's showing the second widget, a third widget, and the fourth widget, and everything is working perfectly. Okay, till now everything is good. Now what I'm going to make, I'm going to make some coloring here. Okay, so how to do the coloring? So where is our this one? Okay, so this is the color that we are using. So let me cut it from here and let's make some condition. So that condition is position. If the position is less than equal to total position, then put the question mark and use this one. Okay, otherwise just use the colors dot gray. Sorry, it should be the gray. Now let's remove it. Let's restart it and let's see what happens. I think so. This color is not working. So let's see. Okay, we have a for loop here, and I think so this logic is a little bit not good. So I just putting here I less than equal to positions that we have. Okay. Now I think so you will see some good result here. And I just restarted the application, and you will see we are in the first page, so that's why it's showing the first screen. Now the second, now the third, now the fourth, and till the fifth. We don't need to write here the fifth now, because we need to write here, sorry, we need to write here the total position, a total position. Okay, now I think so it's good now. Okay, perfect. Continue. Perfect. Now let's make it more better, and just write here the app bar. Okay, let's create the app bar so that if we click on the not the app bar, let's see what we can do with this. Okay, so what I'm going to write here in the app bar, I'm going to write here the app bar again. Okay, so in the app bar I will write here the leading, I will write here the icon button. Okay, icon button will needs a press and one icon, and this icon should be the icons dot there should be the keyboard arrow down, not the arrow down. We need to call backspace. Yeah, this type of things that we need. Okay, this one. Perfect. Okay, now put here the background color, colors dot white, and also put the color here as a white, and you will see but the icon color should be black. So put here the colors dot black. Perfect. Okay, perfect. Now, whenever we click on this button, this page, this icon, it will move the third widget. Okay, so this is also very easy, but we can also do it in another way. When user click on this back press button, it will also still go to the previous screen. Okay, so how to do this thing? So wrap this widget with the wrap this widget. So just write here the inkwell. Just write here the inkwell. So I'm just putting here the inkwell, and in inkwell needs this. Sorry, not inkwell. Here should be the function, and that could be here we need to call the widget as a will pop scope. Okay, and this will pop scope needs on will pop scope a function. Okay, so let's create on will pop scope a function. So just write here the will pop scope. Okay, so this is the function that I have write. Now what this function will do, okay, let's put here some I just putting here the if condition here. If position greater than 0. Okay, if the position will be greater than 0, then we will call as set state, and position will be minus minus. Okay, and else, in the else, we need to exit our app. Okay, so we will exit the app. Okay, but exit app, what is exit app? It is not a function, so we need to create here a exit app function. So this is the exit app function. Okay, so exit app function, what it will do, it will exit app function will write here, if I just putting here the platform, what I need to write here, platform, there's no platform, so platform, I think so. This is a platform, not a platform. Okay, so platform dot is platform dot, oh, platform, I think so we have called the yeah, this should not be dot colon HTML, but it could be dot colon iOS. Let me see, where is our exit app? Okay, so just write here, and we need to call this dot colon io. Okay, and now just write here is iOS. If the app is iOS, then what I will do, I will write here the exit and put here the 0. Okay, so this is a function for the iOS to close the app, and for the Android, what I will do, I will write here system navigator dot pop. Okay, so this is a function for the for closing the app. Okay, on the Android. Now just write here will pop scope. Okay, and write here again the will pop scope. Okay, this is the function. Now let's see. What is happening here? I think so. Let me see. This is the function that I was building, that we were building. So let's restart it, and let's see. Oh, sorry, I think so there are some issues there, so let's resolve these issues. I have just stopped the screen, stopped the app, and running it again. So, oh, I think so. The application may be doing too much work on the main thread. भाई ये मसला आ रहा है, ये there is an issue here. Too much work on its main thread. I have just identified an issue, and the issue was this on will pop scope need a function, a type of future bool. Okay, so we need to make this function as a future bool, and it should return the value that will come into the future. So just write here the value and write here the true. Okay, so this is the function that it's required. Like, this is a function type of bool, it needs a bool value. So whatever the bool value it's come, it's true or false. So just put here whatever the value, it will return the true. And now it the argument type bool cannot be assigned parameter type function. So it say that it needs a future type bool but not with a function. So I'm just going to remove this line. Okay, now let's run it again. So our application is almost ready now, and let's see. Continue. Oh, our app bar. Let's create here the app bar elevation as a 0, so that it should be displayed more correctly. Now it looks more better. So you will see, you will see, you will see, and it's going forward. And if I just click here, it's going, oh, it's going, okay, I understand. It's working on the pop scope, it will go to the minus and still it's going to the plus sign. Okay, so now if I just click here, and now if I just click here, it will close, exit the screen. Perfect. So for today, that's it for today. See you in the next lecture.